Well, today and tomorrow left, and now it's the prep to go home. So I gotta take everything out of here, clean my whole truck out, and get ready to restart packing stuff up. So there's sand everywhere. It'll take me a while to clean it, so I'm gonna clean the truck first today. Gonna need that. My handy dandy pressure washer. Gonna need that. Gonna need that. I'm gonna do it the easy way first. Alright, first take everything out. Because I'm gonna take a leaf blower to it. There's my hat on. I don't think you realize it, but his leg's hanging under that thing. You got something dragging underneath of that.
Yeah. I gotta replace the whole tank anyway.
Oh, okay. Didn't know if you knew that leg was hanging down or not. Change my air cleaner. I may do some washy under the hood. Some sand in there. Okay, got all my kitchen stuff put away, utensil stuff, so that's all cleared off. I got a little bit of dishes to do left. Gotta do some of this stuff, that stuff, this stuff out here. The truck is all clean, inside and out, all shiny again. It's all clean. I gotta load all that stuff in here. And yeah, one more day of freedom, then it's off to home I go. Got my carpet picked up. I'll go check my roof. Let's see how the roof is doing. Oh wow, my roof needs washed. Yes, it needs washed. It's clean. That screw popped out. Oh, they never put the screw in. Are you kidding me? Damn. This camper was a COVID build, so they had retards building them. So let's add that to my list of things to correct when I get home. Dumbasses. So. Which up here would be easier. Come on, what's your dealio? Maybe I can stick my hands in there. I don't know why you want me to do this, so you can get me again. There we go. Here we go. Look how shiny the mole crawler is. So everything's in there besides what I need. So I'm excited about something here. I just need to find it. So Randy and Sarita got me a gift. There it is. They got me a Salt Life shirt with the actual Ponce Inlet lighthouse. That is too cool. Nobody's ever bought me something before. I didn't tell them that. So that's cool. That's really cool. I don't want to wear it and get it dirty. So it's going to stay in there until I get home. Alright, so I got my carpet rolled up in the back of my truck. Got the roof cleared off. Tomorrow should be a free day for me now. Hopefully a free day. Oh, where'd you come from with your missing arm? Get out of here. He's gone. Randy and Sarita made boiled nuts. He had me try one earlier. They're really good. Randy's, that's your invention or her invention?
I can smell them pickles from here.
Yeah, as soon as I open, you get a whiff. It smells really good. Man. There's a whole bag in there? So are they just special peanuts, or you just buy peanuts and throw them in and just boil them?
They were bought in a can, boiled peanuts. But
man, it almost smells like chili. It smells almost like a chili.
What you do, you stir
I almost
them
just
all
want
up
to eat
like
the...
right here.
It looks good.
Or we'll get carrots in there. Sometimes carrots and potatoes.
Oh, actually, I think potatoes going with that.
This on video. This is
I want you to do it.
This is a Florida cracker. Eating boiled peanuts. That Ronnie says, "What's a boiled peanut?" I'm going like,
heard of one.
okay, you grab it like this. All you do is smush it a little bit, grab the shell, and then there it is. You just get the.
They're so good.
What movie is that? Guy
He ate the whole
he
thing.
drank the whole bottle of hot sauce.
And now I'm drinking the broth. It's that good. Oh man, don't throw that away yet. I might want more.
Yeah, just pick it up by the two handles
Yeah,
here,
I'll just
right?
take the handle next. That's really good to
I
drink
won't
as a
have to
broth.
clean the table a third time.
I'll do it off the table if I do it again.
Just go
But
get
man,
you-
that is so good.
Go get you a straw.
Have you tried drinking the broth yet?
No,
It's good. You need to try it.
I need to go get an antibiotic.
Oh man,
My second
oh,
one
that is
today.
so good.